Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed, just hit the red button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very healthy and delicious cauliflower fried rice. We're going to be using 1 head of cauliflower, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, some fresh chicken breast. You know I love coconut oil, so we'll be using coconut oil today. We'll also be using our green peas. We're going to be using 1 mangi. We're going to be using our aromat or seasoning, and we're going to be using our hot curry powder. So we're just going to chop our cauliflower. I'm just trying to use my food processor to chop it into pieces, but it's like my food processor is not wanting to do the job today, so I'm just going to quit the food processor and get my knife and my chopping board and chop my cauliflower into little pieces. Okay, as you can see right now, I have my veggies already prepared, my cauliflower, and also seasoned my chicken breast that I will be using to make my cauliflower rice. If you are on a weight loss journey, I would advise you cut down your rice intake, cut down your carbohydrate intake, and try to replace them with some of these healthy veggies. It will make you lose lots of weight. It will help you lose a lot of weight and keep you filled. So I'm just putting my seasoning on my chopped chicken breast, trying to stir fry them. Right now I have all my veggies already. I'm just going to stir fry for like 5 minutes, then I'll add my cauliflower. If you like, you can as well add some chopped carrots into your veggies. It's very nice. It will give it a very nice taste, but I'm not going to be adding to mine because I'm on a keto diet, so carrot is not welcome for now. So I'm going to add a little of my curry. Right now I'm going to add my cauliflower into the veggies. So I'm just going to stir my cauliflower rice for like 10 minutes so it cooks perfectly. If you try this process, you will like making cauliflower rice always as a substitute of normal rice, and it will help you a lot on your weight loss journey. That's my cauliflower rice already and my chicken breast. It looks yummy. I enjoy eating my cauliflower rice. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and give me a very good thumbs up. Thank you.